Kaseng BJP haga siba arjo kota yo keladawaban patokit haga Central Bureau of Investigation ni ke CBI halo kejingkeno Kambam Sap ha Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council bat Hagaru Hills Autonomous District Council. Na kejing penteri kam ya ke song pisa Special Assistance Grant kabala ada ke Sarkar Pedeng. Bat ke BJP kala berngemru ba kalak ban wengno ia kejing kersan na ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance lada ke Sarkar jela kamle AA ni pensange iki Kambam Sap hakini ki Artli ki District Council.
Habayekran bagi nong patai kubor Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Maury ulakeno ba kejing Bam Sap ke besyarkai bah kadon ha Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council bat Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Na kejing penteri kam ya kesong pisa Special Assistance Grant bakot dagi pau klur tengkah. Uli tho banakal yang jong ladap pa jeng tho syaka Sarkar Pedeng bagadai ban pa toket ha ke Central Bureau of Investigation CBI ya kene ka Kambam Sap. Bat ban penstom daga beteng ikitu kebedan keti ha kene ka Kambam Sap. Kat kum kejeng ong jong ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council kala pendon kam baklai ka song pisa bakot arpau klur tengkah na kebenta bensiu ko tulap jukinong trei na ka Special Assistance Grant kabalong kejeng penken gi kendon balabo da ka Sarkar Pedeng. Uloong baka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council pat kala pendon kam baklai ka pisa bakot Sun Point praar klur tengkah da ka bai kontrak ya ka wega brio bekerteng ka Twinkle Newar Sangma. Bahkan le ke documentary halor ke information, education and communication na ke benta ke council. Uba Ernest Maury uloong baka Sarkar Pedeng kala ay ke Special Assistance Grant syaki District Council na ke benta bagian penteri ki Kampen Roy hakisnong kitau. Henry ki Executive Committee jongkini ki Artli ki District Council belayalam dengan National People's Party. Kila pendon kam baklai kini ke pisah. Uloong balada kini ki Kambam Sap kidang yai beteng hakini ki Artli ki District Council ka BJP kala ban simsnan nekarai ban wengno ekejeng kersan na ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance.
The fund received by the GHADC were diverted to pay the salaries of the officers of the council. In fact, upon being questioned on the floor of the council about the diversion, the then Chief Executive Member, CM, blatantly announced that rupees 20 crore were used for paying salaries. So basically, they pay their own salaries but keep the people under developed. BJP Meghalaya Pradesh will never allow this. That is why we want to bring all the facts in front of the people. Moreover, this SAG scheme that were utilized by GHADC were done without approval of the competent authority. In Garo Hills also, funds to the tune of 100 crore.71 lakh was allocated under the Special Assistance Grant in the last few years, that is 2015-2016. This is a lot of money. One wonder, where has all this money gone? That is a question. The truth is the funds have been misused and misappropriated by the ruling party. That is the NPP. Just imagine, they have received so big amount, and this amount, it is clearly given the guideline. I'll give you the guideline. The guideline has clearly mentioned that how to utilize this scheme. But it's very unfortunate. Both the council, as you know, in Jaintia Hills Council, who led the council? It is the NPP and the UDP. And we have got the MDC in Jaintia Hills, where it's very sad to say, we are a part of the MDA in the state, but in the state council, they make our MDC to sit in the opposition bench. I don't know. I think this CM of Jaintia Hills, he should know the fact why he's doing like that. By keeping our MDC in the opposition bench. And that's why RMDC has raised in the House question after question for misuse of the fund.
Hagajo kapor uni unang yalam ke BJP uloong ba kaseng National People's Party kamsham labat ke jinge te akular menetrelang hapdeng kiseng san partai hag district council kumbalong hak sorkar jela. Uloong bagi MDC jong ke BJP Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council bat Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kilhap bansyong hakaliang persya tang namar ka jingkan taj keseng NPP banyatrelang. Hagawai patkaliang uni unang yalam ke BJP uladawa bak sorkar jela kadai ban penlong no yak election MDC Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ha ubanai banwan. Bat bakam desyo banang penjela ne kasamoy terikam jangka council habaong balada kiwe gejela kila ban penlong yak election ha pedang kejing sapriang jangka klam COVID-19. Balai bak sorkar jela kamla ban penlong ya kan yak election.
Then GHDC 100.71 which I have just mentioned now. Then GHDC 33.57. Total 267 crore 40 lakh. This fund has been delivered to the district council for development work. But they have misused the money. I have already written to the central government to institute the CBI inquiry into the whole issue on an urgent basis. To punish the guilty is important so that such misuse can be avoided in the future and so that the misappropriated funds can be brought back and utilized for the benefit of the people.
Baru ki political party jong state Meghalaya la dia baru ri dia bergawai ngi trai nagabanta ke jingba jong pai ba. Ketam dan bala benar. Teladang idon kanu ke jinko kanu ke jing kam ke ban peni ya ke jing duna ke jing trai kam jongi tang ba ke bandon pada ke jing sisa halor kata. Umla mensu penai kanu ke bolong ke pesulong bersepen Vietnam inu kanu political party yang inu minister dan inu chief minister ni MLA kanu ke bandon dah ke nongrim ke ba pakah ke nongrim ke scam abikan inu te ngengit ba ka BJP habaga ong presiden jongi ba Ernest Maury abo wakran ni itu gentet ngengit ba uyo yaki evidence ba bia
MP hakabri bar kejingkren jong presiden jong BJP ba uong ban mino nak sarkar lara kita ki igi jengko ki kamlong pi ngabre ko ba do komni mar ba gedalang po ke MDA ka sarkar gilong ka ju nrai ka ju sko jung parti ba de ngimla ban khang mo warga constitution ko India ru artikel ka kandai ba bora ubre ula ban keren ba ban pau ya ki be ko ban pau kiru ki ko ki ban pau kum tu kata kadika hok keciki baka penumpang di laki ong baki ko banne sarkala ne baken mino sagaru ka jingjit kadika chongki
kato pi son em baka sarkar kadi bakan tuklar nya kadi ban pha ban ki banya halor kita ki kambom sap nomor ka jing pau jongki kolong katum ka jing lap ya ka RTI
pi ki jing keno kilong ki bade ban ponau syak sarkar di walada nagliang juga kamtam badi council ya ka ba ngapek ngami ngampat yo ya kedunu ka jingthok ban khalo kita ki jikno ibar khoit nrei namar ba ngasim khai ki jikno namar ba ka dinghi kanami lamdara gatadami kanami lamdodon keding dingam ap thang kita khoit nrei ngalaban budin ban pet bat ngidang bisa ken la kita ki jikno kilong kebadai ni kilong kebamdai dan rei ke ba nga apil ya ki perlu BJP go lang la doron kum kata kini kendu ini kerana hapot jauh sakar kini tu ini kalau kamta ladari ban patokit ru nakliat juga minister berarti kini song buat usiam kan margan surat tang level juga orang tokit kamta kadem deru melawat nong nakliat juga dengan selok buat usi besar hatu kerja kena jong kini BJP kalau gosongnya kalau kebadai ni kebamdai hatu kerja kena jiki kalau halor ki nongrim kiba biang kiba syai kata kadem dei ingin pala bantip dari la da dong kedekam kum taru dengan jongaru marba condition ka ban ban pha tukit lah kadu ka trat ru kam ne condition juga dari hak sakari yap ka salang bat ka chief minister
ki gunoi kene ka jing pelpau ko jong ki ba dei ban kan thop lang no ini ki MDC jong ka BJP hakili ki artli ki isi jong ka JHDC ba JHDC
kata kadai ka internal problem jong ki parti kemudian dia po Giant Hills Atmosphere Council bagian ya penbet nak liang jong sarkar ngem ju tuklar ya kajing ya kajing thop apo ki isi dan ya kajing ai aminu noru kata ka sok ha kajing su jong ki parti bo fair kemudian hang thi di kajing song jong ki silang po ser ngam la banong irwe ai ki penbet yang jong parti ka jong ki